we had housekeepers come. 2 of them came. They did a really good job, and they had this very vacuum with them. And we needed a new vacuum. My other one was all broken, and it was not picking up anything. We'd had it for many years. So I asked them, do you like your vacuum? And they use it every day, house to house to house. They said they loved the vacuum. It's great. It's wonderful. It's like industrial strength. So immediately I went out and bought this because we needed a new one anyway. So let's unbox it and take a look. Just came on Amazon today. Took 2 days to get here. Okay. Instruction manual. Piece. Vacuum piece. See the link in the description below this video for a link to this exact item on Amazon. Now, I thought this was a little narrow, and I still feel that way, but I think it's still after the review I got of the housekeepers, I think it's going to be good. And then the main piece. So, one of the things that sold me also is that there's no bags to worry about. I think this comes off, and then you empty it. You can empty it this way and this way. And then the lady told us that there's 2 parts in here, and you just rinse this out with water, or you clean it somehow. You just have to clean these, and then you put it back. It's brand new right now. I don't think I need to even read the instructions. Let's just put it together and see how it works. Looks like there's 3 settings. On, bare floor, brush roll on. There's 3 settings. On, bare floor, brush roll is on. So it tells you right here. Fits together like a puzzle very easily. Because this comes off and becomes, we saw them using this on the stairs in the corners and up high. If you need to get up high for a cobweb or something like that, then you just push this right back. And I'm like, we're sold. That's why we got this. So I do believe you can use it like within a short thing as well. And also the long. I already like this thing. Pretty cool. Not right now. Alright, let's try the vacuum. How do I get it? Alright, there's a picture there for your foot. It'll sit upright, and there's a picture there, you just push it down. Alright, let's do brush. Turns. I've never had a vacuum that turned like that before. Oh my God. Look at that. Look how much dirt's already in it.